Hi, this is Chelsea. Today I'm at Titus Will Ford. We've been owned by the same family for over 75 years. We're located in Tacoma, right off of I-5 and the 38th Street exit. Today we're looking at this beautiful gray 2011 Honda Ridgeline. On the exterior it has automatic headlights, fog lights, alloy wheels. Does have heated mirrors, a roof rack, and a sunroof, so you can enjoy those beautiful sunny weathery days like today. On the inside, it has the perforated heated leather seats, has an automatic transmission, has a 6-disc CD player with iPod integration and AM/FM radio. Integrated in the steering wheel here, it has stereo controls and cruise control for the convenience of the driver. Comes equipped with all the power options, windows, locks, mirrors, and seats. Nice and roomy here in the back seat. It does seat up to 3. Very easy to lift those seats up. Gives you a little bit more space there in the cargo area. It's in great shape on the inside and outside. Here in the back it has a Class 3 tow package. You can open up the bed one of two ways, the traditional way or horizontally. Gives you access to the cooler here in the back or a storage unit, whatever you need it for. It also has a liner in the bed. All of our inventory here at Titus Will goes through a thorough safety inspection. They are beautifully detailed so you can purchase with confidence. Give us a call today to set up a test drive with one of our professional sales representatives at 253-475-4151. Thank you for clicking on our virtual tour.